Hey everyone, you've just bought a significant amount of cryptocurrency on Gemini, and you want to transfer it to another exchange. But how much is your Gemini USD worth in USDT? Building context. Gemini is a popular cryptocurrency exchange known for its security and user-friendly interface. One of the most common pairs traded on Gemini is Gemini USD, GUSD, and Tether, USDT. Understanding the exchange rate between these two stablecoins is crucial for accurate transactions. Addressing the main question. To find out the exact exchange rate between Gemini USD and USDT, you can use several methods. Gemini Exchange. Log into your Gemini account and navigate to the trading section. Search for the GUSD/USDT pair. The current bid and ask prices will be displayed. The bid price is what you can sell your GUSD for, while the ask price is what you need to pay to buy a USDT. Third-party cryptocurrency exchanges. Many other exchanges also list the GUSD/USDT pair. You can check their websites or apps for the current rates. Popular options include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Cryptocurrency price tracking websites. Websites like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko provide real-time price data for various cryptocurrencies, including GUSD and USDT. These platforms often offer charts and historical data to help you analyze price trends. Factors affecting the exchange rate. While the exchange rate between GUSD and USDT is generally stable due to their nature as stablecoins pegged to the US dollar, several factors can influence it. Market demand. If there's a sudden increase in demand for USDT, its price relative to GUSD might rise. Market sentiment. Overall market sentiment can affect the price of both GUSD and USDT. A bullish market might lead to higher prices for both. Technical analysis. Technical indicators like moving averages and support/resistance levels can provide insights into potential price movements. Tips for converting Gemini USD to USDT. Choose a reliable exchange. Ensure the exchange you're using has a good reputation for security and liquidity. Check fees. Compare the fees charged by different exchanges to find the most cost-effective option. Consider exchange limits. Some exchanges have limits on the amount you can trade or withdraw in a given period. Be patient. If you're not in a hurry, you can wait for a favorable exchange rate before making the conversion. Additional considerations. Tax implications. Be aware of the tax implications of converting cryptocurrencies. Consult with a tax professional for specific advice. Security. Always prioritize security when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing scams. Conclusion. Finding the exact exchange rate between Gemini USD and USDT is a straightforward process. By using reliable sources like the Gemini Exchange, third-party exchanges, or cryptocurrency price tracking websites, you can get accurate and up-to-date information. Remember to consider factors like market demand, sentiment, and technical analysis when making your trading decisions. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.